Holiday season is just around the corner, and I think this one is different than any that we've ever had in e-commerce. And the reason for that is the consumer is very anxious about prices because of inflation. So I think any successful holiday season strategy for a brand is going to be built around dealing with that anxiety. Luckily, Shop Pay gives us a couple of easy wins, I think, to deal with that problem. First, you got to turn on Shop Pay. It's a dramatic reduction of friction in checkout, and friction is even more fatal to conversion rates with an anxious consumer. The second is turn on Shop Pay installments. Cart sizes are going to get bigger, way bigger, because you're buying stuff for friends and family. Mitigate that anxiety by spending more money by letting them pay for it over time. And the third one, and I think this one's often overlooked, is look at a Shop Pay cash multiplier. That's the rewards that people get in the Shop Pay app, and a multiplier is essentially free money. Free money is going to go a long way towards making them feel comfortable with some of the bigger cart sizes that they're going to deal with in holiday. Build around these three pieces, and I think you're going to have a great holiday season. Good luck out there.
This holiday season, you can increase your brand's visibility and reach a broader audience to drive more sales with Shopify Marketplace Connect. This robust Shopify app will allow you to expand your customer reach to top marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, Etsy, and eBay, with the benefit of managing these channels from one central location, Shopify. Shopify Marketplace Connect enables you to manage product listings, inventory, and orders across multiple marketplace sources from a single Shopify dashboard. Because it's unified commerce on Shopify, it prevents overselling inventory during your peak busy season. It also provides other automated updates to keep your pricing, descriptions, and other key details up to date throughout your season without dealing with manual intervention. Marketplace orders will flow directly back into the Shopify store, allowing for easy tracking and fulfillment of orders. And even better, throughout the season, you can continue to monitor analytics and optimize shopping experience for each marketplace with bulk editing and attribution mapping. Check out Shopify Marketplace Connect to expand your sales channels this holiday season for your best BFCM yet. Good luck.
Now should be the time when you are thinking about your Black Friday offers. Offering deep discounts isn't for every brand, and it can have significant impacts on your profit margins, whilst also devaluing your brand and risk annoying your repeat loyal customers, all just in favour of increasing new customer acquisition. Bundling is a really great alternative to discounting for Black Friday by creating a compelling value proposition for customers, encouraging them to purchase more whilst feeling like they are getting a better deal. Have a think about what bundles make sense to your customers. This helps with product curation, but also consider what makes sense to you as a business. Do you have excess stock that you'd like to get rid of? Or do you have any typically less popular products which would make sense to pair with one of your best sellers? Last year, a brand that we worked with used bundles as an opportunity to clear out excess inventory efficiently through their exclusive product bundle that you couldn't buy elsewhere, whilst also increasing sampling of lesser known products so existing customers or new customers to the site just might not have purchased organically. This strategy gave us the opportunity to explore retention tactics to keep that user purchasing the full complete bundle of products moving forward. Shopify Bundles is a really quick and easy way to implement fixed bundles and multi-packs directly from the Shopify admin. You can create and sell bundles straight away, whilst the app keeps tabs on your inventory to ensure you are protected from overselling. Even post Black Friday, I would encourage merchants to use Shopify Bundles as a quick and easy way to test the impact that bundles can have on your business.
Years ago, Harvard Business Review did a study. How many touch points does it take for a consumer to convert on a product? So let's say you saw me in this shirt. Hey Rich, love your shirt. Where'd you get it from? Oh, I got it from Macy's. You walk into Macy's, you find the shirt, maybe you find a different color, you ask the sales rep some info, you walk over to the cashier, you purchase it. Basically 2 to 3 touch points and you have the product. Nowadays, it's dramatically different. There's 15 or 20 tabs that people open up once they find a product they like. They're looking at reviews, they're looking on social media. So what does that mean? That means that everywhere you post that product, everywhere your brand is represented, it needs to be consistent across the board. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, wherever your product is, wherever your brand is speaking, that needs to be consistent in terms of the messaging across the board, because it builds trust in the eyes of the consumer and it shows them that the product is the same no matter where they go. So next time you're thinking about product development, or you're thinking about merchandising your product, or you're thinking about developing content, make sure that consistency is there, because not only will it gain the trust in the consumers, but hopefully it'll reduce the amount of touch points to convert to a sale. Have a great day.